I have installed a new WordPress blog on my new domain, cotyewens.com. It's a fresh installation, so it's the default settings. I have not changed anything yet, and I'm going to show you how you should configure it to get the best SEO results. So once your blog is installed, go into your administration panel, and the first thing you have to do is to change what we call the permalink structure. Let me show you the site to explain you what it is. The default settings are not very good, so you have to change some little things. Let's have a look at this post. Hello world. It's a default post created by the installer, the WordPress installation. So if you look at the URL, the post name is the URL shows p equal 1 to it's the selector, it's the post selector. Thanks to this parameter, WordPress knows which post it should display. But for search engines, it's not a good structure. We should rather have something like category name and post name. It's much better to have something like that for search engine optimization. It's exactly what we're going to change now. So let's go in the settings panel, and then select the permalinks option here, and don't keep the default. Choose custom structure and write %category %/% post name %. Okay, %category %/ post name %. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's get back to the home page of our blog, cotyewens.com, and now if I click on Hello World, you see that it has the category name and the post name. So it's much better. Okay, so this setting is done. Now we have some other things to change. In the settings panel, go into the writing subsection, and at the very bottom you have the ping list. Each time you will post a new article in a blog, these URLs will get noticed that you have published a new article. But by default, it has only ping-o-matic, and it's not enough. You want to insert all this whole ping list. I'm going to add this list in the just below this video, so you will be able to take it and copy it. Okay, and then you will just paste it here. Okay, save changes. Okay, that's much better. Now each time I will post a new article, all these websites will get notified, and the search engine bots will come much faster to my website than without this list. Something else you have to do, you have to install a plugin called Headspace. So let's go to Google, let's look for Headspace WordPress, and it's this one, urbangiraffe.com/plugin/headspace2. Let's go here. And download, click on download to download the plugin. Okay, don't want to use download manager. Let's save this. in my, I'm going to save this in my downloads folder. Okay. Oh, I already have it, but I'm going to download it anyway because I think it's a new version. It's a more recent version. This version have been updated April 19th, and mine is a little bit older, so I'm going to replace it. Now that it's done, let's go into the plugins panel of our WordPress administration. And click on Add New. And just browse the folder where you have downloaded it, Headspace 2, and click on Install Now. It's the most important plugin you have to install. Okay, now that it's installed, sorry, you have to activate it. Just click on the Activate link. And we have some settings to change. Oh, no, I'm sorry, I don't want to change the code. I want to go in the settings panel. And there is a new section here called Headspace. And you want to change the global settings. No, it's not the global settings, it's the page models. You want to change the page models. Okay, by default, this is the default, and you want to add the site name here. You take the site name, keep your mouse down, and you move this here. Okay, I will show you how this affects the WordPress installation very soon. Site name, page title, tags. Okay, that's all you have to do. Now that we have done that, we are going to create a new post, and I'm not really going to create a new post because I don't want to ping the ping list I just showed you earlier, but I'm going to show you what it is used for. Okay, so now when you create a new post, you see here that just after the post body, the article body, there is a section called the headspace. It comes from the plugin we have just installed, and the site name field here wouldn't appear if we didn't change the headspace settings. But it's very important because okay, I'm going to show you an example. It will be better. Let's go to Google. Let's type image formula. Okay, you see this section here is what you are going to put here in the site name. So for my niche formula post, I have, oh sorry, okay, I can copy it. I have done something like that. In site name, I have put this. In the page title, I have put this, and in the description, I have put this. Okay, so you see that what I have written here for my niche formula review is what Google displays here. If I didn't add the site name module, instead of having IM niche formula review is the Scamometer Sky High, I would have here my blog name euserreviews.com is the Scamometer Sky High, and for search engine optimization, it's not good. What you want to have is a unique title for each post you will publish on your blog. And ideally, the first thing that have to appear is the keyword you are optimizing for. So I was optimizing for the IM niche formula keyword, and I have to give the search engines this keyword at the very beginning of the title, and the beginning of the title is the site name. So if you don't add the site name setting in your headspace configuration tab, you won't be able to control this crucial element. So another example, if you want to create a post for a product called Product X, for example, then in your site name you will write Product X and write it in uppercase because it draws the attention of the readers. You see here, IM niche formula in big case, in uppercase, draws much more attention than these titles here. We see it, we see it in big. Okay, so you will get more clicks from search engine searchers. So you write the name, then you write review, for example, if it's a review page, or bonus if it's a bonus page. Then in the page title, you write something that grabs the attention. You see, I'm usually use something like is the Scamometer Sky High for my review pages, and for my bonus pages, I write the value of my bonus. So anything that could grab the attention. Product X review, it doesn't work like you would expect. I have tested it. For you, don't write this if you have not tested it, obviously. Okay, don't lie to your visitors. It's very important that you keep 100% honest, that you stay 100% honest with your visitors. You don't want to lie to anyone just to get quick profits. Okay, I have tested it for you. I have found some flaws, and I show how to overcome them. Okay, something like that. If you have something like that in the search engine listing, it will attract clicks from visitors because the visitors want to buy this product X and they see that it has some problems and they want to know which problems before they actually purchase it. Okay, so this is all the interest of the Headspace plugin. It's the most important plugin you have to install. There are also other plugins. I'm not going to talk about them yet. Just install your WordPress blog on your domain name and change the settings like I just showed you. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.